G'day everybody, it is Matt here from Stiller's Life, and today I want to show you how to deposit and withdraw funds from a supercharger in the Crypto.com app. Now just before we go any further, I just wanted to mention, if you don't already have a Crypto.com account, either an app or an exchange account, if you sign up using my referral codes for either the app or the exchange, there's a USD bonus available for people who use my referral code. So you could get 25 USD for signing up to the app using my referral code and 50 USD for signing up to the exchange. So that's 75 USD in total. I'll put the links for that down in the description. Make sure you use them. I'd really appreciate it if you do. Obviously, I get a bonus as well for that. And I hope you enjoy trading using Crypto.com. Now, let's get into it. Open up the app on your phone. You'll see your screen as usual. So scroll down to the Supercharger section here and tap on Supercharger. From this screen, you'll see whatever the current supercharger is. Scroll down until you see the list of events. Select the current event, which is in its charging period. So right now, that's the Bitcoin one. So I'll select that. Then click right down the bottom here where it says View Pool Detail. Tap that one. And that will take you into the supercharger and show you what your current investment is. So from here, I want to deposit 1,000 CRO. Up the top here, if you click on the plus, from there you can add funds. Now it'll prompt you to do that. Click continue after checking the box. And you can then enter how much CRO you want to put into the pool. So to simplify it, if you just want to put in all of the available CRO that you have at the moment, you can click down here at the max button. So that's where it lists your current CRO. For me, it's 1,000 point, a lot of decimal places. So if you tap that, it'll fill that in for you. And you can then hit deposit 1,000 CRO down the bottom, or whatever amount you're actually depositing will be shown there. It'll then ask you to confirm, so it's showing you all the details here. We're depositing this much in whatever our currency is for this event, coming from the CRO wallet, and total cost. Now once we're done, we can just hit confirm. Just a quick note, as per the confirmation here, when you deposit funds into a supercharger, they're not automatically withdrawn at the end of the supercharger period. They'll stay here for the next event. So if you do want them out, you need to make sure that you withdraw them yourself. So once we're ready, we'll just click that blue confirm button down the bottom, and it'll ask us to enter our passcode, and then away we go. We've now deposited our CRO into our supercharger. Just tap anywhere on the screen to continue. So our balance will update. You can see down the bottom here our transaction showing that it has indeed been added. Now that shows me my new total up here in the Bitcoin event. So what if we want to withdraw funds now? So again, we can click on that supercharger button. We can also go over to accounts and scroll down and click on supercharger just here in our list of accounts. From the supercharger screen, which is exactly the same as if we went to it on the home page. So either way works perfectly fine. We now want that minus button up the top left beside the balance. So if we tap on that, it'll then ask us how much we want to withdraw from this supercharger event. So that's right now the Bitcoin liquidity pool. So let's say I wanted to withdraw 2,000 CRO. I would type that in here, and then I can just click withdraw. If I wanted to withdraw my entire deposit, I could click the max button down the bottom here, and that would pre-fill in the entire amount that I've got in the supercharger right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll withdraw 1,000 CRO. Again, it wants us to confirm, so it's showing us up the top here how much we're withdrawing, where it's going to, so that's going to be our CRO wallet, and the total cost, so to speak, which in this case is just we're reducing the balance of our supercharger by 1,000 CRO. It's not actually costing us CRO. So just hit that confirm button down the bottom when we're ready to go. It'll ask us to confirm with our passcode. And away we go. It'll then show us this confirmation screen. Yep, we withdraw 1,000 CRO from the Bitcoin event that's happening right now. And then you can just tap anywhere on the screen when you are ready. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are not already using Crypto.com, you can sign up for the app using my referral code, which I'll put a link to and the code itself down in the description. And you'll get USD $25 worth of CRO when you sign up and stake 2,500 CRO in your account. If you're also interested, if you join the Crypto.com exchange using my referral code, you'll get a 50 USD bonus into your exchange account as well when you meet the staking requirements there. So I'll put a link to that down in the description as well. So that's 75 USD total that you could get just for signing up using those referral codes and meeting the requirements. So I'd really appreciate it if you do. Obviously, I get a bonus as well. In this case, it's 25 USD for me too, and I'd really appreciate that. That's it for me for now. Hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next time.